Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I got a video for y'all, basically just going over the battle pass and just some thoughts of the season so far. If you're new here and you enjoyed the video, made you laugh, consider subscribing, ring the bell if you haven't already so you know when I upload. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. I've been playing a little bit, and I think one thing that I think we all know is that you can unlock Overwatch legacy credits in the battle pass for free. You are able to get some Overwatch 1 skins that you perhaps have gotten, and I think that's a really good change just for all the new players that, want the Blackwatch Genji skin and all those good skins. But, starting off, the Reaper skin. I know some people aren't a fan of it. Personally, I think it's pretty cool. It's like the like black smoke coming out of his like mask, and the gun design's pretty clean, I would say. Junker Queen. This would be a cool skin if I didn't have the Zeus skin, but the gun's cool. Junker Queen, definitely an opium fan. Nice. It's okay. Bro's the thinker. Okay. Okay. I think the problem with Sigma emotes for me is that I don't know if anything can beat that walking on the rocks emote.
Tell me a story and make it a good one.
Ooh. Free BAP skin. Free BAP skin. Pog. Nice. I think I'm just gonna say this in general about souvenirs. I personally hate them, and I feel like they're just emotes, but you throw something up, and I don't think I've unironically seen someone use this unless they're like a complete free-to-play player. Ooh. Wow. Nice. Oh, look at bro. He's just... This is goated. This is a goated weapon charm.
What reason have you to fear me?
Okay. Invisible man. I high-key want this cast skin. Honestly, I think this might be the one I want the most, because, sometimes I feel like I can relate with this skin because, I feel invisible. Cool. Fuck me. Yup. Yeah. Nice. Fist up. Okay.
I've always had a gift for fire.
Cool. Oh, that's a nice somber skin. What was that, like a legendary? Or epic? That makes sense. For an epic, that's pretty good. Your gun. Ooh. It's a really nice gun. Not too bad, not too bad. Isn't it? That's like the hieroglyphic people, no?
Who'd have thought that strontium and barium, though properly oxidized, could make the night sky so beautiful?
Alright. Okay. Is that an emote? Oh, it's a victory pose. I was like, okay. Oops. I'm a big Pachimari fan. I like any Pachimari player icons.
Who wants to be immortal?
That's cute. Huh. Oh shit. I don't like Moira, but it was pretty cool skin. I actually like anything with like flames coming off. It gives you like some of that like Super Saiyan aura type beat. Okay. The Moira fans over there.
I'm obviously the most precious.
Sure. No. Okay. You know what I would want to know? If this emote like actually like reloads. Like if I emptied my mag and then did this emote, would this actually reload? Hey, carbon fiber Zarya. I like the carbon fiber sets. Oh, wait, that gun looks crazy with the gold. Wait, this skin might be gas. I dig, I dig. Oh. Oh, boys. I'll get to something in the end about this Genji skin for you guys asking. I don't know if you noticed, but
愚公移山。
okay. Okay. Oh, that's a cool spray. That's a cool spray. That's a nice little emote.
I'm feeling divine.
This guy looks like I can't think of the name right now. It's like the dude who's Carnage. Cool.
Lure me out. I dare you.
Alright. I want this so bad. I want this player like banner thing. We stand Pachimari. Whoa, dude. It was so cool. I don't know what he said. That's cool. I'm not an Orisa player myself, but something. Nice. Ooh. Okay, Ash. Oh, this is an epic? Oh, wait. It kind of... I mean, that's pretty cool for an epic. My only problem is like, I don't know if any of you guys play Valorant. It's like those green screen skins. You know what I'm talking about if you played Valorant before. I don't really like that. If this moved with him, that'd be cool, but also his toes purple. But they ain't Widowmakers, so okay. What the fuck?
Sometimes it's 6 shots, 1 kill.
Real. That's a pretty cool. That's a pretty cool highlight intro. And the big mama herself, Kiriko. Alright, we got a nice spray. Nice player icon. I won't lie, I don't think they've missed with the Mythic skin. I think, weirdly enough, the one they missed probably the most on is a Junker Queen one. Funny enough, because I think there was less options on the second row. I think this one's better. That one's better. Okay. Moon. Snakes. Think I high key like the moon. The moon go hard. Oh, change her hairstyle. I like that one. Yeah, I like that one. Oh, let's see them colors. Ooh. Alright, I might just be we just going all middle row, but it's just gonna gash. It's gonna gash. Overall, I think this battle, I know I said in the last one, but season 2 was kind of mid, but honestly, I give this a solid, 7. I think it's definitely an upgrade from the last one. I mean, the Overwatch team hasn't failed on cosmetics, but also, they're giving us some free credits so we can buy some old Overwatch 1 skins at least every season. So you have something to look forward to if you grind hard enough. Looking at all these, I think that Cass 1, Invisible Man, still probably the one I'd go for. One thing that they have done, I don't know if y'all got the Street Runner Genji skin, but pre-patch, these shurikens were the default Overwatch 2 shurikens, but they changed it to blue and black. So now it's like a real skin, and they changed the blade to blue. It's so nice. It's so nice. But yeah, overall, I think the Battle Pass is an upgrade, and the monetization, they have definitely changed it a bit. I feel like Blizzard is definitely listening now that, you know, a lot of complaints are coming out last season, so they needed to do something. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. If you enjoyed it, comment down below if you want to see anything else. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.